home cooks, ready to dive into some deliciously healthy recipes that will make your taste buds do a happy dance? I'm here to share 3 mouth-watering dishes that are not only good for you, but also super easy to whip up. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. First up, we've got a quinoa salad. Quinoa is packed with protein and fiber, making it a perfect base for our salad. Cook 1 cup of quinoa according to the package instructions. While that's cooking, chop up some cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, and bell peppers. Toss them into a large bowl with a handful of fresh parsley. Now let's get zesty. For the dressing, mix together the juice of 1 lemon, a tablespoon of olive oil, a clove of minced garlic, salt and pepper. Once your quinoa is ready and cooled, combine it with the veggies, pour over the dressing, and give it a good mix. Boom! You've got a vibrant, nutrient-packed salad that'll keep you satisfied and energized. Next on our list is the avocado toast, but with a twist. Grab some whole grain bread and toast it to perfection. While it's toasting, mash up a ripe avocado in a bowl. Add a squeeze of lime juice, a pinch of salt, and a dash of red pepper flakes. Spread that delicious mash onto your toast, and here's the twist. Top it with a poached egg. Not sure how to poach an egg? No worries, it's easier than you think. Just bring a pot of water to a simmer, add a splash of vinegar, and gently slide in your egg. Cook for about 3 minutes, then lift it out with a slotted spoon. Place it on your avocado toast, and you've got a protein-packed breakfast that'll fuel your day. Finally, let's satisfy your sweet tooth with a healthy chocolate banana smoothie. In a blender, combine 1 frozen banana, a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, a tablespoon of almond butter, a cup of almond milk, and a dash of vanilla extract. Blend until smooth and creamy. This smoothie tastes like dessert, but is loaded with nutrients and healthy fats. Perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack. So there you have it, 3 incredibly tasty and healthy recipes to add to your cooking repertoire. Give them a try, and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking, and see you next time!